Here's a quick tutorial on how to add a payment method on Kucoin. So this is very simple. All you need to do is just first log into the app, and then you come here in the home screen. Then in the bottom right you can see assets, so click on that. Then right here you can see deposit, click on this. And then in the top you can see either crypto or fiat. So if you want to deposit your euros or dollars, just click on fiat. Right here you can choose your currency, so let's say you want to deposit euros. Then right here you can choose a payment method, so either easy bank transfer or regular bank transfer. Both have a €1 fee. So let's say you want to use easy bank transfer, just click on it. That will take you here. And here you can see add bank account or a payment method. So click on add. Then you can read this and click on continue. And right here you can select your bank. They have a bunch of banks, so your bank is probably in here. So that's how you can add a payment method on Kucoin. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.